In this video I'm showing you how to knit the twisted rib back and forth. I'm gonna add edge stitches so it looks a bit neater, but that's completely up to you. Okay, so the first row we slip our first stitch off the needle, knitwise with the yarn in back. Then we repeat purl 1 and knit 1 through the back loop. Our second row, we slip the stitch off the needle purlwise with the yarn in the front. Then we repeat knit 1 and purl 1 through the back loop, ending the row with knit 1 and purl 1. So the last one is not to be purled through the back loop, but just a regular purl. And that's it. Now you know how to knit twisted rib back and forth. Happy knitting!